show you just how easy this is to use and wear, to put it on your clothes, take it off nice and quickly. I'm going to show you just a few ways to do that. So the first is you can see right away it's got this clip, and so you can clip it on, for example, this side. If you need it from another angle, just smooth it off right here, flip it around. Oh yeah, just like that, right away. Now you've got it coming from the other side. If you want to not use the clip, but use it as a magnet, as I said, somewhere you're in your environment with metal or on your clothes, it's just as easy as taking this magnet right here. Again, you're going to take off the clip from the back, put it aside. So take this magnet. The piece that has the wings is going to go into the microphone, just like that. Then you're going to take this small magnet and again, put it wherever you need it. Let's say under your clothes. Put that around. And there you go. So you see that was only half a second, one quick step, and I've got it nicely here on my clothes. It's nice and secure. It's not going to fall off. That's a strong magnet. And so we're all ready to go. So now I'm going to get started using the receiver just to show you how easy it is. On the bottom here, you've got the on button. So just pull that over and right away it starts up here. So you'll see the first listed is the channel number. There's quite a few channels. You've got quite a few options. Beside that, obviously, is battery. Below that is RX for receiver. And then it says single. This means that you've only got one channel open right now, but that would increase and change if you added in more. And then beside that, you've also got the volume as well. Beside that, the volume gauge right there. And let me show you again as well on the microphone right here. So this is the transmitter. Again, it's the bottom button here that you just moved to turn it on. And right away, you'll see it come up. So again, many channels. As you can see, the next piece says INT for interior. So this means it's automatically using the interior mic right here. If you want to exchange it to the exterior mic, you're going to take this cord and plug it in just like this. And you'll see automatically, without having to change anything or work on the settings, it changes to exterior. So this EXT means it's using the exterior mic. Again, if you want to go back to interior, just automatically pull this out. And immediately it buzzes and then changes to using only the interior mic. The rest of the settings again, so TX for transmitter, single because it's only using the one, and then the microphone symbol beside that, and then well as the microphone strength. This is the microphone piece right here. So as you can see, it's very small, very compact, and transitions between the interior and exterior microphone automatically. I also want to show you how easy it is to transition from using it as a microphone to using it as a walkie-talkie. So here we've got it in microphone mode right now. You see on the side that there's a plus and minus sign. The plus is representing distance or long distance, so that transitions it to a walkie-talkie. So if I click on it right now, hold it for about 2 seconds, and you'll see right away that it goes to become a walkie-talkie. Now it's functioning as a walkie-talkie. If you want to move it back to a microphone, then it's just the minus sign right here. Again, hold it for about 2 seconds, and then automatically, that smoothly, it's gone back to the microphone. So as you can see, to change it from a walkie-talkie to a microphone is just one button on the side, plus sign for walkie-talkie, and the minus sign here for microphone. It's quite smooth and does it automatically without any kind of extra settings or buttons that you have to push. I also want to show you something else that makes it clear if you're using it in transmitter or receiver mode. As you can see right here, we've got it in transmitter mode. And as I mentioned before, if you press menu and then the minus sign for about 2 seconds, it becomes the receiver. Also here, it's got the green light flashing. That again means receiver. And if you go the opposite direction and do menu plus the plus sign, it becomes a transmitter again, and you've got the red light flashing here. So green light shows that it's receiver, red light shows that it's transmitter, and it displays it back and forth to make it clear which function you're using.
Good. Now go to 25.
Okay, I can hear you. What about here?
Yes, I can hear you.
Good.
Yes. Go to 50.
What about here? Yeah?
Good. I can still hear you. What about 100?
Okay, 100.
You're still coming in clear. 200.
200.
Still clear.
Okay, good work.
Come back.